Dear viewers, we are discussing about RBI Attendant Examination 2021. Number of vacancies 841. Last date 15th March 2021. We are discussing about exam pattern. RBI Office Attendant Recruitment 2021. Organization Reserve Bank of India. Name of the post Office Attendant Recruitment, Post of Office Attendant 2020. Vacancies 841. Office notification release date 24th February 2021. Office registration start 24th February 2021. Last date to apply 15th March 2021. Selection process online test and language proficiency. Category bank job. Official website rbi.org.in. Online examination date 9th and 10th April 2021 tentative. RBI Office Attendant vacancies. Ahmedabad 50 vacancies, Bangalore 28 vacancies, Bhopal 25 vacancies, Bhubaneswar 24 vacancies, Chhattisgarh 31 vacancies, Chennai 71 vacancies, Guwahati 38 vacancies, Hyderabad 57 vacancies, Jammu 9 vacancies, Jaipur 43, Kanpur 69, Mumbai 202, Nagpur 55, New Delhi 50, Patna 28, Thiruvananthapuram 26, Kolkata 35. Total number of vacancies 841. RBI Office Attendant eligibility criteria. Education qualification. The candidate should have passed 10th standard, SSC or matriculation from the concerned state or UT coming under the regional jurisdiction of the recruitment office to which he or she is applying. Such qualification should be from a recognized board of the state or UT. UT means Union Territory. Age limit as on 1st February 2021 between 18 and 25 years. Candidate must have been born not earlier than 2nd February 1996 and not later than 1st February 2003, both days including, are only eligible to apply for the post of office attendants in the Reserve Bank of India. Category age relaxation. Scheduled caste or scheduled tribe SC/ST by 5 years, that is up to 30 years. Other backward classes OBC by 3 years, that is up to 28 years. Persons with benchmark disabilities PWBD by 10 years. General or EWS 13 years. OBC 3 years, 15 years SC/ST. Ex-servicemen to the extent of the service rendered by them in the armed forces plus an additional period for 3 years subject to a maximum of 50 years. Widows / divorced women / women judicially separated who are not remarried by 10 years. RBI Office Attendant Selection Process 2021. The selection of the candidates would be done on the basis of their performance in the online test as given below and the language proficiency test LPT. Online test except for the test of general English will be in bilingual English and Hindi. There will be negative marks for the wrong answer in the online test. 1/4 mark will be deducted for each wrong answer. Candidates will have to pass with a minimum prescribed marks in each subject of the online test. LPT will be of the qualifying nature. The candidates provisionally selected from the online test will have to undergo a language proficiency test LPT. LPT will be conducted in the official 12 local language of the state concerned. Candidates not qualifying LPT shall not be considered for the selection. RBI Office Attendant Recruitment 2021 exam pattern. 4 tests will conducted. Name of the test: reasoning. Number of questions 30, marks 30. General English 30 questions, marks 30. General awareness 30 questions, marks 30 marks. Number of ability, numerical ability 30 questions, 30 marks. Total 20 questions, 20 marks. Total duration time 90 minutes. Application fees: SC or ST or PWD or EXS ex-servicemen intimation charges 50 rupees only. OBC, EWS or general candidates test fee plus intimation charges 450 rupees. RBI Office Attendant Recruitment 2021 pre-exam training. The bank may arrange a combined pre-test training at certain centers for a limited number of SC, ST, OBC, PWBD candidates in consonance with the guidelines issued by the Government of India. Candidates belonging to the above categories who desire to avail themselves of such training may write to the regional office of the Reserve Bank of India to whom the candidates is applying. Job profile of RBI office attendant. The job routine of Class 4 employees of RBI is quite hectic as they have to follow various responsibilities as mentioned below. The job routine of Class 4 employees of RBI is quite hectic as they have to follow various responsibilities as mentioned below. Keeping all the files in an organized and well-ordered manner. Opening and closing of the office. Carry official documents between various departments of RBI. Maintaining entries and exits of the documents and other files. Making sure that all the officers have all the basic needs have been kept on their tables. Office attendant has to do various works in a day. All tasks told by the senior officers and such much more. RBI office attendant salary structure. Selected candidates will draw a starting basic pay of 10,940 rupees per month and other allowances etc. Dearness allowances, house rent allowances, city compensation allowances, grade allowances etc. as admissible from the time to time. At present, the initial monthly gross emoluments for office attendants is approximately rupees 26,508 rupees. Office attendants who will not be staying in the accommodation provided by the bank will be eligible for the house rent allowance at the rate 15% of pay. ఈరోజు మనం తెలుగులో కూడా చెప్పుకోవచ్చు. ఆర్బీఐలో 841 ఆఫీస్ అటెండెంట్ పోస్టులు ఖాళీగా ఉన్నాయి. ఆఫీస్ అటెండెంట్లు మొత్తం ఖాళీలు 841. అర్హత విద్యార్హత 10వ తరగతి లేదా మెట్రికులేషన్ పాస్ అయ్యి ఉండాలి. వయసు 1 ఫిబ్రవరి 2021 నాటికి 18 నుండి 25 ఏళ్ల మధ్య ఉండాలి. ఎంపిక విధానము ఆన్లైన్ టెస్ట్, లాంగ్వేజ్ ప్రొఫిషియన్సీ టెస్ట్ ఆధారంగా. దరఖాస్తు విధానము ఆన్లైన్ ద్వారా. దరఖాస్తు చివరి తేదీ మార్చి 15, 2021. పరీక్ష తేదీ 9 లేదా 10 ఏప్రిల్ 2021. వెబ్సైట్ సంప్రదించవలసిన వెబ్సైట్ ఏంటంటే www.rbi.org.in. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే మీరు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.